Hello, this is Garemore, and what I have is a digital power switch for the Arduino Uno or any other microcontroller. I will put the schematic in the link below. Here we have some capacitors on the input side. We have two diodes so that we can detect the input signal when we press the button. This allows us to use the power switch as an input. And then here we have a 2N3904 and a NPD6020P. This is a different type of transistor called a MOSFET. And then we have a 100 UF capacitor between the gate of the MOSFET and ground. And then we have the 10K pull-up resistor. And then on the output side, we just have an LED and the same two capacitors. Here's a demo of the circuit. It turns on our microcontroller and the LED comes on. And it fades out because of the capacitors. We just have to tap it and it will turn on. If we press it longer, if we press and hold the button longer, an indicator light on the microcontroller will start flashing, indicating that it is detecting that it is being pressed. And it just shut off again. Here's the program. This is a shutdown timer. Now we have our pin modes and stuff. Here we write our power switch input high. And then just as if we read the button, it flashes the indicator light on the microcontroller. We wait for the shutdown, and once the time runs out, the device will shut down and wait a few seconds, and then flashing the LED. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and support me by buying from my eBay and Mercari stores. Both links are in the description. Goodbye.